Hey baby, you see lately, it's like I don't even know you no more. What did I do wrong? Where did we go wrong? You just acting different lately. Girl, something's wrong, I can tell. You've even changed your hair, you've changed your perfume smell. Something's going on, I know you well. Cause everything I do seems wrong to you lately. Don't feel that loving in your arms lately. Don't tell me that there's nothing wrong lately. Don't feel like we can carry on lately. Hey girl, you tell me say you are gonna ring me back, but you not call. You left me hanging like a poster on wall. Me tell you say me love you and I'm giving you my all, but all you want to do is do some shopping at the mall. Remember when the two of we got done silver fall? You tell me say you don't want your care with at all. All them type of things where you keep up. I tell me about me ex-girl fi get beat up. Woman lately you not cook no food at the yard. Lately you not even smile, you not laugh. Lately you always have some excuse. Lately me can't make your gray sky blue. Whoa, lately don't feel that loving in your arms. Lately don't tell me that there's nothing wrong. Lately don't feel like we can carry on. Lately, baby girl, remember when you said I was your number one, but somebody said them see you with another man. You fit tell me baby girl and make me overstand. What to when me and you will make wedding plan. Now you have only answer to my question. Now gonna make you walk over my heart like a pedestrian. Woman, I love you to the bone, right to the skeleton. And I hope it's just my imagination.
Come back, darling, give me another try. I'll keep you satisfied. Come back, darling, give me another try. I'll keep you satisfied. Don't you know I need you badly, and I'll give my whole heart gladly. I need your loving like roses need the rain. So don't let me cry in vain. Oh, come back, darling, give me another try. I'll keep you satisfied. Yeah. Come back, darling, give me another try. I'll keep you satisfied. Yeah. Can't you see this love still burning? Please return and end my yearning. A day without you is like a year of emptiness. Please return and bring me happiness. Come back, darling, give me another try.
I know you didn't wanna be the one
Be a buddy.
to say you're leaving. Cause you didn't really want to hurt my feelings. So you tell it to my friends. Yeah. You even tell it to your friends. Yeah. So they could tell it to my face. Yeah. How much you really need your space. But it's okay now to tell me how you feel. Yes, it's okay
you're trying to be a big girl and keep the tears from your eyes. And oh, it's gonna be a little hard to lift your head up high. Oh, cause you're gonna need a man who will understand. Oh, darling, 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 please consider me. Oh, I know all your friends have left you all alone. Oh, and all the good times you had with him are gone.